love this right here, man. You can't tell me I ain't 2 years old. No, because I am. Baby, I'm a fetus. I'm an embryo with them baby hairs. Hey y'all, I am fashionably grateful. I'm about to show you how to slay this hair like this. Now listen, I have some Sealy braids up under here, and I'm about to show you how I put it all together and make it look amazing. Hey y'all, hi. Look, don't laugh at my hair right now. I have been wearing a headband wig for several weeks. I'm trying to change my hair once a month, okay? Right now I'm just putting like water in my leave out. This Mayel product that I bought from like TJ Maxx because it's the cheaper version. You can get it on Amazon and stuff like that. I'll put a link in the description, and I'm also going to put a link to this Amazon wig that I got that has a headband on it. Now, here's the thing about the headband. I decided that I would like to cut my headband off. Well, I really don't cut it off. I actually seam rip it off. So I don't know if you know what a seam ripper is, but a seam ripper can rip the threads out of a headband wig, right? Or it can rip the seams out of thread, basically. Or rip the thread off of something, yeah. Don't know how to say it. I'm not a big sewer. I do know how to sew a little bit. Learned from my mom, who definitely knows how to sew. But yeah, I took the headband off from around here. I have shown you on a previous video before. What I want to do is kind of leave my hair out, but I don't have much time, right? So I'm not trying to leave a whole lot of it out. Y'all, please don't laugh at my scanless braids, but none of that's going to show, so it doesn't matter, right? This is just a real quick, I'm hoping for 10 minutes of a hairstyle real quick, so that I can just, you know, go pretty much. Like, get to where I have to go. Oh, my oil's falling. Get to where I have to go and not make a whole lot of a fuss, right? So I have my hair prepped with like just some of this Mayel and the water. And that's pretty much it. I don't use edge control, y'all. I use braid gel. Because even though my hair is soft, it can definitely kink up after a while. So I use this all day Locks braid gel. Is supposedly the best. It smells okay. It smells kind of citrusy or orangish kind of. Not too strong, not too heavy. It doesn't leave a lot of residue either, so that's why I really like this one. So I have my Goody hair ties. They're not harsh on your hair or anything like that. That's to hold my scanless braids into place. I don't necessarily want to wear a wig cap because sometimes the brown can show through on those brown wig caps, and I don't have a black one. So this is it. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail like that, bunch of braids. Y'all, this is the wig that I'm working with though, right? It's probably a month old. It's probably 2 months old. I have not combed it out. I have not done anything to it. What I do to refresh it is I just add water, and that's it. I don't like putting a whole lot of product on my wigs. I do wash it out, but I'm not gonna wash it out today. I'm just about to show you real quick. I just pumped that up a whole bunch, and that's enough. Because I also like not a real heavy wet look. I actually like it to look like as natural as possible, right? And I'll form it when it gets on my head. But here's the thing. I don't want a whole lot of leave out today, so I'm gonna take a small amount of my hair. I'm just gonna take all of this right here, and we're gonna braid it back. Look, I put the braids up. I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm gonna braid it back into one of these braids. So let's just use this one, for example, and just braid it into that braid so that my comb won't get snagged by any braids. It'll actually grip my hair, and that's it, right? It does not matter how lumpy my hair or my braids is, because this wig is big, kind of. It doesn't lay flat like that, right? So yeah, just gonna braid this up, and that's pretty much enough on that side. This side, I do want to put my hair back also, but I have to do my edges first, because once I put it back, I can only leave so much out. Like, I have to leave this part out to hide the track, but this part needs to go up because the weave is gonna be, you know, there. So let's grab some of this edge control. It's not edge control, it's braid lock gel, but I call it edge control. And a little bit goes a long way, so I just take it and go down my edges, and that's it, right? So that's like the base of it, of what I'm about to, you know, have it looking like, I guess. So I'm just brushing it in a little bit, right? But then of course I want to do like some little swoops or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what we call these. I call them baby hair still, even though I'm almost 50. You know how everybody be cracking in the comments like, you're not a baby. Yeah, so just a couple of them. One side only. This side is gonna be completely covered, y'all. I don't like a whole lot of product on my hair. I like water, aloe, and stuff like that. I don't like a whole lot of everything else. Oh, and you know another product that I like to put on my hair that I meant to tell you a while ago? That's it for my edge control, basically, right? Let me grab this. Y'all, I love this. I love this, but I have a little container that I like to carry with me sometimes. I add water to it because it's really honey. It's really too thick, right? So this is enough. I'm just putting this all over my braids pretty much, and on my leave out. And y'all know why I like it? I like it because it smells good, and I like it because it keeps my hair moisturized, right? So, all right, so we got this side all done up with my little hard brush, my hard heavy brush. I'm leaving this out, right? And then I'm putting the rest of this up in a ponytail holder. There's one there. And then remember, the rest of it is gonna go into another ponytail holder. The other one, I don't be having stuff too tight neither because it hurts. All right, but just putting this in a ponytail all together. Y'all, I know it looks crazy, but it don't gotta look like much, because like I said, we're not gonna be showing too much of my real hair. All right, just this, and even that is not gonna be nothing major. All right, so here's the comb, and I want to put it kind of at an angle like this over on this side, and then we're gonna bring the hair down. Here's a comb in the back, which is kind of also at an angle. I make sure I tuck my braids underneath, and I have that tucked too, right? You still got two combs on the side. I want to make sure I tuck it under that braid over there, and then there's a comb over here somewhere, right here. I'm gonna tuck it under this braid. So look, we got all tracks showing right there, right? We don't want that. So of course, I want my hair to come over it. Listen, your hair, this hair ain't about to be blowing all over the place, so you straight. You ain't got to worry about a whole lot of shaping of this hair because it kind of just does its own thing, right? Now here's the other part. I just want to make sure this is looking decent enough. So I do need to add some more water so it'll curl up. And then you got to be careful with the product with this, because if you put too much, it'll be straight. You don't want your straight hair mixing with your curly hair, right? But I still need some product to go on it to make sure it smashes down into my weave or wig, whatever you want to call this, without showing that big thick track, right? One thing that I do is I could take this and just kind of, not too much, rub it in between my fingers, right? And just go over that spot. And it just kind of takes that hair and lays it down. If you want to lay it down some more at the root, you absolutely can. I will, but normally I leave it, I just let it look a little bit napped up because I'm okay with kinky hair, baby, because that's what I got. Throughout the day it does dry out a little bit, which makes it look even realer. But y'all can't tell me nothing with this. Now, if you still 13, 14 years old and you're still in high school and you might get your wig snatched off because boys play too much at school, or, you know, hating females, you know, mad at you, then I would put a bunch of these in. I would snag these all throughout. You know what I mean? But me, I'm grown. I'm almost 50. I am 48 years old. This year I'll be 49. So I wish somebody would. Okay. But I mean, you never know. People are on the streets doing all kind of craziness. I'm putting some more over here just because I want that to be a little bit more slicker. But y'all see how slick that is? And I'm gonna get closer so you can see, because I don't know if my phone filters out at all or not, but what I'm seeing in the mirror is, you know, what track. You know how they say what lace? I'm gonna say what track. But yeah, it ain't no tracks that I'm seeing except for when you lift my hair up. But we gonna keep my hair down, right? So I don't know. I mean, I just feel like this is the best way to blend my hair in with my headband wig, which initially was a headband wig, but is no longer a headband wig. Now, I don't want it to be too curly because I don't want it to be Jerry curlish. But we good, right? Y'all comment below if I'm straight, if I look natural, or if you're like, that ain't her hair. You can't tell me. You only know it ain't my hair because you saw it. But people ask me all the time, is this my hair? Even when I got the headband on, I'll be like, okay. Even when I just had, you know, my Sealy braids yesterday, they still be on some. Even when my hair goes completely back to Africa, they still be thinking it's my hair. I'm like, yeah, nah. Now, it do look a little bit stringy over here, but the more you do like this, it's kind of like shingling your hair and mixing it into the weave. So I don't use that little thing that you puff up and make the curls come back. I just let it just happen natural, y'all. You can't tell me nothing. I ate and left no crumbs, okay? Don't play with me right now. I know what I'm doing when it comes to this hair. I've been doing it since I was 17, so argue with your mama. But look, I put a link down below to make sure if you are interested in a wig like this. I mean, you can get your hair to look however you want it to look, even if you got a relaxer in your hair, right? You can also use like curler rods to curl your hair up to be tight like this and then comb it out. It works. Just don't wet it because it's gonna go back straight. But yes, I mean, I think this wig is super dope. I think I look cute, and then I'm gonna pose for you.